Welcome to Next Gen Tech, the channel where we explore the most mind-blowing and futuristic gadgets that are set to revolutionize our world. Today, we have an exciting lineup of top 10 gadgets that will leave you in awe. Get ready to have your mind blown as we dive into the future of technology. Starting off our list, we have the HyperX Vision, a cutting-edge augmented reality headset that immerses you in a virtual world like never before. From gaming to education, this device is set to transform how we interact with digital content. Next up, we have the Zephyrx drone, a sleek and powerful quadcopter equipped with advanced features such as obstacle detection, autonomous flight modes, and stunning 4K camera capabilities. It's the perfect gadget for aerial enthusiasts and content creators. Moving on, we have the BioFit X smartwatch, a wearable device that goes beyond just fitness tracking. With its advanced health monitoring sensors, sleep analysis, and personalized coaching, this smartwatch takes your well-being to the next level. Now, let's explore the MindWave Neuro headset, a groundbreaking gadget that reads your brainwaves and translates them into commands. Imagine controlling devices, playing games, and even improving focus through the power of your mind. Up next, we have the Ecosphere VR gaming chair, an immersive gaming experience like no other. This cutting-edge chair synchronizes with virtual reality games, providing realistic vibrations and movements that truly transport you into the gaming world. Our list wouldn't be complete without the RoboPal Home Assistant, a friendly and versatile robot that helps with household chores, provides companionship, and even assists in home security. This intelligent companion truly brings the future into our homes. Moving on, we have the Lumina X holographic display, a mesmerizing gadget that brings holograms to life right before your eyes. Whether it's for entertainment, presentations, or creative displays, this futuristic technology will leave you spellbound. Now, let's explore the NeuroDrive Smart Car, an autonomous vehicle equipped with advanced AI systems that provide a safe and efficient driving experience. Get ready to witness the future of transportation on our roads. Next on our list, we have the Genie Mind Sleep System, an innovative gadget that helps optimize your sleep patterns and improve the quality of your rest. With features like smart lighting, sound therapy, and sleep tracking, it's a game changer for a good night's sleep. Last but not least, we have the Futuristic virtual reality glasses, an extraordinary gadget that transports you to immersive virtual worlds with stunning visuals and a truly immersive experience. It's the next generation of virtual reality at your fingertips. And there you have it, our top 10 futuristic gadgets that are set to revolutionize the way we live, work, and play. Which one amazed you? Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to ask for your support. If you enjoyed this video and were blown away by these incredible futuristic gadgets, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below.